Alright, I'm on a mission. Heading out deep in the forest to pick up a board. 6'9" performance, or 7'2" performance mid-length. Maybe we'll even be able to ride it today, so let's see how it goes and see if we can get to the ocean on time. Beautiful country out here, and just to think, just a few minutes away is the city. It's beautiful out here. Man, it's just hard to believe that this area is about 30 minutes from my home and it feels like I'm in the thick of the forest. Really cool. Wish I could live here. Oh man, it's gonna take some work to get this board in the water because I gotta wax it, put on some fins, and then we're gonna sell the Verner. If everything goes to plan, we're gonna sell the Verner board. It's time to move on, but I'm going to another Santa Cruz local shaper. This board is 7'2". I'll get the name of it in a minute, but I think I had a board from this shaper before. This board is in excellent condition. Super excited. Pintail. Should be able to get some turns on these mushy, hilly, rolly summer waves. And I'm just getting a little tired in the summer of having a short board and just not being able to get in early. All these people with bigger boards taking the waves, and you know, I'm gonna be part of that party now. I'm gonna take some of these waves a little bit earlier. So, looking forward to this pintail mid-length 7'2" surfboard. But man, got a ways to get to my destination. Let's get out there. I'm stoked. We are traveling. Oh, look at that wave. Shoot. Come on, get it. Oh, yeah. Get it, boy. Was that, yeah. What's up? Oh my God. We are at an amazing beach and not surfing today. I'm just chilling. Sometimes it's good just to chill on the beach. Look at this day. Woo-hoo. Love it.
Think about that because it kind of pulled on your shin.
I was just in the water, with no wetsuit, and now having a gin and tonic. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa! Alright, my wife's here. We're taking a nice romantic walk. Down this beautiful coast. So nice to be out here. A couple hours ago I was in an office in the city, and just a few minutes away. It's paradise, baby. So sometimes you just gotta come to the beach and hang out. And sometimes it's sunny. It was sunny earlier, but sometimes it's not. Sometimes it looks like this.
Well, I'm sure Ben probably went and told her what was up.
But when you love the ocean, you don't care. You just have a good time. We're gonna catch some waves tomorrow. See you guys out there. We're still partying here at the beach, trying to escape the heat. Crazy heat wave today. Okay, let's do a recap of this chaotic wave. First, there's a board in the way there. And next thing you know, to my right, this guy face plants. He was charging though, so you gotta give him props. Here's a local, Rosie the dog, who surfs in this spot quite frequently. Rosie got her own Instagram channel, so check her out. Not much to show this day. This is really the only decent wave I caught, but as you can see, the crowd was pretty heavy. Hard to catch a wave. We'll try to catch some tomorrow, though, on the new board.